Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you, this part. As you can see, it's very heavy. Okay, let's take a look. Wow. Okay, this one is made of 7075 aluminate and with CNC 5-axis simultaneous machining complete in a single operation. The surface treatment is white oxidation with tolerance of plus or minus 0.01. Roughness is 0.8. The quantity of this order is about 2,000. It will be shipped tomorrow by DHL to the United States. Okay, thank you for watching. You can contact us for the below email address. Bye bye.